So, this is recording. Okay, yeah. Yo, what's up? It's Rich Yo here. So this is my other test. So it was sort of a dome, look like, or like half. What is it? Half oval. But since it's the radiant barrier, it flies everywhere, and it gets like everywhere. And it's like it moves around everywhere. So it's like it's okay. But it's mostly when the sun's like in that direction and shines that way. Right now it looks like it's hitting that and then going up in that way. But since I have a fence there, it doesn't really work as well. Maybe I'll want to twist it the other way and see how that works or something. I'm not sure. Yeah, we're gonna do more test trials. This one, and we'll look at the data and see how this one's working. Water does pull up. It was pulling up over there and then leaving the dust on it. Bad side of just flat mounting. These, I've lifted it up, put more bricks under it, so the water goes down. Let's take a look at the data for that one. So yeah, let's see. So data is right now is doing 72 watts. Those are doing 20. What? That's 20, 22. This is 25. So yeah, and then let's go to generation. So weekly, it's doing bad. Yesterday was rainy or cloudy. And then the day before was rainy. So it does okay during rainy season. And then does okay when it's really shiny. And then but monthly, let's get more data on this. I'm not sure how that one does. Maybe we'll do the other one, half dome, or what is it, dome? Half oval. I don't know yet. But you need room then. I don't know how to even set that room up. Okay, let's see. For monthly, yearly, it's weird because let's see. Let's take off. So it's almost. Can't even get it. It's so bright outside. It's almost like 1,000 watts under 1 for some reason. So I don't know. Let's put up 2. 2 is that one. So it does better than that one. I think it's, I don't know. Because I think it's getting solar from that side and then going solar from top and not from that way. But those two are just getting solar from that side. But yeah, I need to get a table and set those up. So yeah, that's the test generation part 2. I can subscribe. Thanks. See you.